Hi, it's Patrick here from the GarageBandGuide.com. GarageBand for Mac comes with gigabyte upon gigabyte of high quality pre-recorded snippets of audio or loops that you can use in your projects. If you want to add more sounds to your loops library without breaking the bank, there are countless sites and services that offer all manner of sonic goodies for free. In this video, I'll share 3 of my favourites. If this is your first time here and you want to master GarageBand, improve your music and learn all other kinds of GarageBand related stuff, start now by subscribing and ringing that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And make sure you stick around to the end of the video where I'll show you how to import these free samples into GarageBand's loop browser. First up is a company that you might not immediately associate with free loops, as they are known primarily as a leading online audio mastering service. If you visit Landr's homepage and click on the Samples tab, however, you'll be treated to dozens upon dozens of free sample packs to choose from. You will need to create a free Landr account to download these packs, but a few sales emails landing in your inbox periodically is a small price to pay for samples of this quality, in my opinion. You can search Landr's library by pack or by individual sample if you have something specific in mind for your next project. Back in April of 2018, the BBC threw open the doors of its audio archives and made over 16,000 in-house sound effects available to download. From weather effects to animal sounds and everything in between, this searchable library of auditory wonders will likely have the sound that you're looking for. Last but by no means least, we have MusicRadar's completely free and completely royalty-free library, which consists of over 60,000 samples. The library is made up of sounds that have previously appeared on a Computer Music or Future Music magazine cover disc. You'll be downloading these packs in their entirety, so no picking and choosing individual samples here. Thankfully, MusicRadar gives you some examples of the kinds of sounds you'll be getting your hands on. Importing the sounds that you've downloaded is really straightforward. Unless you've specified otherwise, the sample pack or individual sound will download to your download folder in the form of a zipped file. Click on this zipped file to have your default unzip program. The default on Mac is the Unarchiver. If you don't have this installed for some reason, it's free on the Mac App Store. You can also unzip the file by control clicking on it on your desktop or within Finder and selecting Open With and then selecting your unzip program. The unzip folder or individual file should then appear on your desktop. Open GarageBand and then open the Loop browser. Now just drag and drop your folder or files into the Loop browser and they'll be added to your Loop library for use in your projects. Once added, you can find your packs in the Loop pack menu. Any you've added will appear at the bottom of the list. And there you have it, the best places on the internet to find free GarageBand loops to add to your sonic arsenal. If you're just getting started with GarageBand on Mac, or you just want a refresh on the basics, you can grab a copy of my quick start guide completely free. I'll put a link to that and the free sample libraries featured in this video down in the description. I've been Patrick from the GarageBandGuide.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.